The word Bahamas comes from the Spanish phrase Baja Mar, which means shallow sea. For the past 2 weeks, we've been soaking up every minute of our time here in the Bahamas. So far, the Berry Islands have stolen our hearts, with its never-ending supply of secluded beaches and crystal blue waters. The Berries are a chain of islands only covering about 30 square miles and are often referred to as the fishbowl. We've lucked out with having great weather thus far, but our luck seems to have run out. There's a strong northeasterly blow quickly moving in, and as much as we dislike being in marinas, that's exactly where we've ended up. So come along and seek shelter with us on the western side of the island chain in a place called Bullock's Harbor. We have a never-ending list of boat jobs, and now seems like the perfect time and place to check some of those jobs off the list.
Okay, so we came into the marina because we were having problems with our engine starting. This is our universal M35. The reason we believe that the engine is not starting is a bad cable for the solenoid to the starter. So today we're going to replace it. We only need one wire.
Which one do we need?
Well, I'd like the red one because it's a power side, so. It's like peeling a snake. Not that I've ever done that.
I was gonna say, have you done that before?
But I saw it on Crocodile Dundee once.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, is that too old of a reference?
For me?
1980 something? Was it?
I've heard of Crocodile Dundee.
You've heard of it? Man.
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it? It's just a great...
Wasn't he the crocodile hunter guy?
No, well, Mick Dundee was the crocodile hunter before crocodile hunters were cool.
Oh, okay. We weren't into crocodile hunters in my household.
You never heard the saying, that's not a knife, this is a knife? And he pulls a pig out. No? 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 Alright.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Now I feel old. Proper tinned wire.
Thanks, Andy.
This is the one we took off the solenoid to the starter. If you look, it's pretty corroded in there. I only recently put this heat shrink on, so I think moisture's been getting in and corroding this wire for a while. Same on this end. And so I think that's possibly creating enough resistance to not allow the starter to throw, or the solenoid to throw the starter. So we're going to rebuild that wire with new lugs and a new piece of wire from our neighbor. Nice tinned wire too, so hopefully this will solve the problem.
Fingers crossed.
Is still that this lug is still slightly too small. This is for 10 AWG and this is an 8 AWG, but we can't find a 10 and nobody has it, so we're trying to make the most of this. Maybe I can open this guy up a little bit. I don't know. So put some dielectric grease on the end of there to help prevent the corrosion. Heat shrink also. Hopefully this thing, oh yeah. And the other end. This is the fun one.
This is the one that's still not the correct size, right?
Yeah.
We had no luck on the island.
Yeah. Or anyone else's boats.
Yeah, you asked like everybody in the harbor.
Yeah, everybody now knows us.
You got a beer out of it.
I did get a beer, so it's not a complete loss. I think we're gonna get there though. I think it's gonna be good. I have faith.
Sometimes boat projects are making what you have work.
Yeah. Okay. And give it a little crimp. Hope that's crimped the wire. Dielectric grease in the end. And then some heat shrink to help protect it and hold it. Go away, wind. And now we test. little dielectric grease on the cable, the connection part.
We cross our fingers.
Glow plug for 10 to 15 seconds. Maybe it worked. So while we're in the marina, it's a good time to check your ground tackle. So we are updating how our chain connects to our anchor. Just trying something new. It's a good place to do it. So right now I'm just cleaning up the swivel part of the chain anchor connection. And yeah, that's what we'll do at the moment. Nothing exciting. Originally, this piece goes, or I had it just directly on the shank, and when the anchor gets loaded up sideways, it tries to, you can see it tries to open the, and that's going to fail. That's going to break something. So then I put a shackle in, but then the shackle was binding, because it's elongated, it was binding up this way. So every time it would go up and down, it would bind. So we're putting this in, swivel further back, and hopefully avoid all of those binding, breaking issues.
This is gonna be a challenge. Yeah, it's going back in. Then you don't have the thing to grab, but when you glide down, it like slides back in. And I just want my ice cube. I don't want to ruin all these cubes. Stay, stay. Oh god, this could get bad. Oh, I got one. Cheers! Cheers! I don't think anybody's used this in a while. Oh, it's really sad. Like it's, I mean, it would be beautiful. Oh my god, no. I'm not sure what you'll catch in there. Ugh. There's a mooring buoy, so just in case. Was that a hot? Oh no, it's a bar.
Bar menu.
This place would have been awesome.
Yeah.
I'm really upset it's not still open.
Break it up. Maybe back ribs.
Oh, what did they have? Damn it. Right when we're hungry.
Hot or deep fried chicken wings? What's in?
I don't know.
Hot or deep fried?
Yeah. Looks like they had some sort of like villas here too, which is very sad because these would have been really cool, I think. That pool and the marina. Beautiful here. Yeah. It's too bad. Don't leave me, I'm coming!